Let's build our ramp. I have my piece of cardboard and I have pinched 2 clothespins to the end of my cardboard. They don't have to be in any special position, just so as long as you have them on the end. And then I'm going to take my clothespin and pinch that on the handle of each clothespin so that it elevates my cardboard in the position of a ramp. Let's think about how this paper cup rolls down a ramp. I'm going to use my end of my cardboard as my starting position. Watch as I let go of the paper cup and watch as it rolls down the ramp. Let me show you that again. Watch as the paper cup rolls down the ramp. Put the cup in the starting position and let go. You give it a try.